Right then, exciting times. I probably shouldn't have had time for this introduction because it meant to have been here at 8:30, but there's a new project car on its way. So when it arrives, we'll get straight into it and have a look what's wrong, because we know there's something wrong with it. So it's finally here. The beginning bit of this was filmed Saturday. It's Monday now. We've not really got time to go deep into this and see what's going off with it, but we'll have a quick look around it, and then the next video will be a deep dive, start taking bits off and figuring out what's gone wrong. So it's here, and we got it pulled around the back because it was busy in this yard. I wish we'd not, to be fair, because that front wheel, the tie rod's completely snapped, so it's just flapping in breeze and just doing whatever it wants to do. So it took a bit of getting round here. As you can see from the B-roll, it's quite heavily damaged in a few places, and there's definitely going to be some stuff underneath that we've not seen. So we'll have a quick look and see what happens. So the front, it's had a good smack here. You can see how far back it's, whatever it's hit, stopped here, which is a good, 9-inch? So 200 mil, 220 odd mil, something like that. It's pushed it a fair bit back. I think looking at the damage, no, it's a bit weird. It's like into an angle, like a sign or something, and then it's like gone in and cracked windscreen or smashed windscreen. But it says it's cracked. It's a bit more than cracked, but cheers for letting us know. And that's then damaged wing a little bit, which bonnet's aluminium. Also, this is plastic, but these are aluminium. Damaged that. Probably knock some of that out if you really wanted to, but probably just get a new one. Door's got a few little bits. This door, the side steps absolutely mongoloided. And I don't know how, but this rear quarter's had a bit of damage as well, which is a shame. But anyway, can't get into the boot. Battery's disconnected somehow. Yeah, massive rear brakes, ceramic rear brakes, so, and they look like they've got plenty of pads on them, so I think it's been maintained pretty good. Yeah, the front brakes, absolutely mental. 420 mil by 40 mil. Absolutely crazy. And then obviously the bit everybody's come to look for, the V12 engine. So massive boat anchor thing. Hopefully it's in good condition, because it weren't down the starts or drives, which I'm assuming probably better off that it doesn't start, because there's definitely going to be no water in that. We had a quick look earlier. Oil wise, let's dip it and see. Yeah, a little bit on dipstick, not a lot, but better than none. So I've not seen it leak out yet, so we'll see what happens. God, these engine bays are complicated. So yeah, inside, that step's done as well, so I think it's gone over a curb or something and probably damaged some other stuff underneath, so we'll see about that. Yeah, I'll have a looking back first actually. So yeah, in the back. Curtain bags have gone off. Somebody's been in boot. I'm imagining to try and get it running, try and get to battery or whatever. But yeah, that's not good. A bit of documentation. Hopefully there's a service book or something like that in here. No, it's not a service book. Not a service book. That is a logbook, which is good. Try not to show anybody's details yet there on that side. We'll get vehicle smart up. This is what I prepared earlier. So at the last MOT it had done 52,000 miles. So it's going to be less than 60, I'd have thought, which is good. That means it's not too bad. So we'll sort that out. I'll keep that. If I can send that off and get in our name, that'll save us some messing. Hopefully there's nothing too major gone on inside, because I don't mind buying something with superficial damage and a little bit of mechanical, but then when you're getting into fixing everything inside, it gets a little bit annoying. See, all the carbon stuff. It's like somebody's been climbing inside here. Oh, CD changer there. Hello. Back when that was something interesting. That's where your phone can go if you want to put a phone in there. So yeah, nice carbon stuff. This has been pulled out. Obviously, steering bag's gone off. Other curtain bag. Seatbelt pretension's gone off, so there must have been nobody in passenger seat. This one's gone off, but that one, they were wearing it, which is unusual for an Audi. So yeah, keys stuck in as well, which if I put that into park, it might come out, but I'll not try. Bonnet pull's obviously gone. I don't know why. Who's been trying to pull bonnet when it's popped up like that? I have no idea. So if you watch the video where we drove a V12, you'll see they're pretty quick. And this, I think, we'll put a picture up at the end maybe, with how much this ended up costing with the fees. The hammer dropped to 11,100, and by the time the fees were all added and the delivery and stuff, so no point driving to Essex to pick it up, that's cost 12,300 or something like that. So a fair bit of extra fees and stuff like that. But so I think I've probably missed some stuff out, gone over things a little bit too quickly maybe, but we'll get really deep into this when we get it on the ramp and we can start getting it working. So I want to get it running before we do anything too crazy. We'll take off a lot of the damaged stuff, get all the glass out of here, because that's not ideal. Cut all these airbags off and do whatever we need to do. And yeah, decide what route we're going down with this project, because there's been many ideas banded around, but it all depends on how expensive the bits are to repair, and because it's a with 65, it's probably a 30, maybe 35 grand car straight, but with damage probably 25, 28, and there's a lot of bits need changing. And if you're going to do it properly, obviously dash out and stuff like that, it's a lot of work. So we'll see what we want to do. Still got a bit of MOT, so worst case we'll throw some mud tyres on it and let it have it, but we shall see. That looks a bit worn out, so it's only done 60,000. We'll check the mileage is genuine as well. I think that's one of the battles with a car that's worth this much. And yeah, see what happens.